Are you looking for the best outdoor security cameras? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best outdoor security cameras on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Wyze Lifestyle Cam Outdoor Starter Bundle V2. Very few options balance affordability and overall quality the way this outdoor camera set from Wyze does. The outdoor camera is battery-powered and can be mounted anywhere. This particular model comes with a home-based device that connects up to 4 cameras at the same time. Despite being the most affordable option on this list, the outdoor security camera still offers a lineup of powerful features including motion-sensing technology that detects both body heat and movement, reducing the number of potential false alarms drastically. The Wyze is also quite flexible for storage options with the camera capable of online cloud storage as well as localized storage on a microSD card. Number 2. Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Pro. Our previous pick for this category, the Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Plus, was a terrific outdoor security camera that featured a dual LED floodlight. The new Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Pro builds on that solid design with extra features, including support for dual-band Wi-Fi and a bird's-eye view feature that tracks a recorded subject as they move within the camera's view, showing it on a top-down layout of the area. The lights themselves are also quite bright, boasting 2000 lumens each, and the fixtures are adjustable so you can angle the light as you please. While the camera's 1080p video resolution and 140-degree field of view haven't changed, it now supports high dynamic range, resulting in a picture with greater colors and brightness levels. The Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Pro also features 2-way audio support and a 110 decibel siren, which sound when the system detects motion. It also offers customizable motion zones and 3D motion radar for you to tailor to your property. However, to take advantage of the camera's full capabilities, you must subscribe to Ring Protect, which costs $4.99 per month or $49.99 per year for the most basic service. The subscription includes features like storing videos in the cloud for 180 days, personal alerts, and more control over when the camera records video. Furthermore, the wired installation caused us enough difficulty installing that we recommend hiring an electrician when doing it at your own home. Number 3. Eufy Security eufyCam S332 Cam Kit. If you're looking for a low-maintenance outdoor security camera system, this set from Eufy is an ideal choice. The cameras are wireless so they don't require a professional installation. What sets them apart from many other wireless options is the solar panels on the top of each device. Once installed and set up, we did not have to take the cameras down for recharging once over months of use. The solar panels kept them perpetually charged as long as they got exposure to a few hours of sunlight per day. It was similarly easy to connect the cameras to the greater home security. The outdoor cameras works through the home hub, which after initial installation using an Ethernet cable, works comfortably through your home Wi-Fi. The cameras can then be set up anywhere within several hundred feet of the hub without losing connection. A big benefit we also loved is the camera system requires no monthly subscription to access its features. This includes AI-powered face recognition, customizable activity zones, and of course, motion detection. The only drawback for this camera set is the placement of the solar panels. While the panels being integrated directly on top of the camera makes it less cumbersome, it also means you need to install them in a spot with direct sunlight or they won't properly charge. Number 4. Swann MaxRanger 4K Wireless NVR Security System 2 Cam. For large properties with a lot of land to cover, consider utilizing the range of the Swann MaxRanger security system. These cameras connect wirelessly to a home hub and stay connected up to 2,000 feet away, great for large properties or homes with long driveways. What makes the outdoor camera different than many others on this list is that all footage is stored locally. While you can connect a Dropbox account for cloud storage, each device comes with its own 64GB SD card, so any recorded footage is immediately saved without any additional steps. The solar-powered cameras also offer several key features like heat and motion detection, live video, and connective compatibility to sirens or spotlights. During testing, one camera did need to be manually recharged, but once replaced in an area with better sunlight, there were no further issues. Number 5. Tactacam Defend Cellular Security Camera. Unlike any other outdoor security camera on our list, this option from Tactacam does not require a Wi-Fi connection to work. Instead, the camera connects to cellular towers and works similarly to your smartphone. This makes the camera perfect for homes in remote locations. The security camera does require a monthly subscription for access to on-demand videos and photos that are stored in the cloud, but plans start at just $5 a month. The device works with AA batteries or a rechargeable battery pack. In our testing, we took anywhere from 2 to 10 pictures a day and the pack lasted about 3 to 4 months before needing to be recharged. In practice, the security camera is great at sensing motion more than 100 feet away, so it could potentially double as a nature cam. It lacks some of the features other, similarly priced models on this list have, but the biggest drawback is that the field of view is only about 50 feet wide.